Today we're reviewing the Nespresso Vertuo coffee and espresso machine by Brew. This would be the chrome model, and if the tank is full of water, it can make 5 cups of coffee. So to make coffee, you'd have to get one of your Nespresso Vertuo pods. They have plenty of flavors. Different colors means different flavors. But how it works is, if you can see, there's a barcode on the end of each of the pods around the perimeter. So what happens is, when you open up the Nespresso machine, which, pull that little lever right there, you place the pod in there, close the machine, make sure you lock it in place. So I had to go get a cup because you need a cup to brew coffee. But anyway, once you have the pod in the machine itself, all you have to do is place your cup there, press the button, the machine will read the barcode of the pod and brew exactly the amount of coffee that the pod registers with the barcode. I just love how amazing that coffee looks. That looks like coffee shop barista quality coffee right here in the comfort of your own home. Supposedly, the way that this machine brews coffee is by air pressure. There's like a really tight chamber in there that's created when it does start the brewing process, so that it sucks as much flavor out of the pod as possible, which is why the coffee looks so amazing when it comes out. But this particular pod and its barcode was registered for an espresso shot, or a double espresso shot, which is what I have here. So I'm gonna make a latte with this. Once the coffee is brewed, what I do to make a latte is I add a little bit of flavor to the espresso. It's chocolate chip cookie dough, so freaking good. And then I froth some milk. So this is the milk frothing process. This milk frother does come with an espresso machine, the chrome model as well. So what you do is you take the frother, there's this little magnetic piece that's kind of already in here. I can't stick my hand in there, but what it does is it spins on a magnet and it froths the milk for you. So what you do is place it on this little hookup part right here, and you press and hold for iced frothed milk if you want to keep it cold, but you can press it once for hot frothed milk, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna press and hold because I'm making an iced latte, and it's blue because it's frothing the milk and keeping it cold. So that's gonna take like 3 minutes or something like that, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna pour this in here because why not? Actually, I need to mix the flavor into the espresso. I just love the way this looks. It's so good. I love it. Put that back in there. If you're wondering why I use 2 cups, it's because this one's not tall enough for the amount of coffee I want. Grand finale. The milk is done frothing, finally. It's been 2 days. But now we're gonna pour it into the latte so we can complete our chocolate chip cookie dough latte. So literally, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You literally just take the milk frother, take your coffee, and pour it on in there. Look, can we just admire how beautiful that looks? Like, if this is the reason you wake up in the morning, I totally understand. It's 100% the reason I wake up in the morning. But it was just enough milk. Look how pretty the milk frothed on the top. This right here is a quality grade A latte brought to you by the Nespresso Vertuo coffee and espresso machine by Brew. So real quick, I just wanted to show you what happens when you're done using the pod, right? So you go ahead and open up your machine and it slides on back there. So malfunction, it's actually supposed to empty into this tank right here. And then you take this off and you go pour it in your trash can, or you recycle them.